Hello again, everybody. Welcome to a classroom for mental and manual experiment. My name is J.K. Annan, and today with me are my good friends Esther and Alex. They will help me in today's experiment. Welcome, my friends. I have a challenge for you. It's a puzzle. I will lay up these numbers on the table briefly. What do we have here? We have 12, 79, 34, 58. Now let's look at the sum of the numbers in the first column. That is giving us 10, 19, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is giving us 20. Okay, so 19 and 20 are not the same.
Yes.
You want to have the numbers arranged in such a way that by changing a number from the first column with the second column, the total what will be the same. Okay?
Yeah.
So put your thinking cap together and let's see how it goes.
Okay. So we can first substitute these 3 by the 2 here.
Okay.
And
so let's add and see.
1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 7 is 11. Plus
so you have 20.
19 is 20.
Okay.
So here 2 plus 4 is 6. Plus 5 is 11. Plus 8 is 19.
19. 2019 is not equal. Okay.
Not equal.
So what number did you change? Let's bring it back again.
It was 2 and 3.
Okay.
Then what about
So, okay.
Okay. So 8 and 9. So we have 10, 18 over here. Then we have 18, 22.
22. And it's still
not balanced.
no balance there. Try substituting this 5 for 7.
Okay.
Yeah, so this 18 plus 8 plus 9,
17.
17, and
We have 3, 22.
22. Yeah,
still not
it's still not balanced.
Still not balanced. Okay, so let's reset it. It was.
Yeah.
Okay.
Substituting. Yeah.
Okay, 1 and 5.
1 for 5. So
Okay. So we're having 9, 18, 24, 23. 23, 9, 3, 16. Still not balanced.
still not balanced.
No, let's reset the first one. So it was 1 to 5.
1 to 5.
Okay.
Also 9.
Okay. So what do you have?
Here is 15.
I don't think it's balanced.
Yeah, it's still not balanced.
Okay. I think this is an unbalanced puzzle.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So the challenge looks impossible by the current numbers that we have, okay?
Yeah.
It will always be what? Being balanced. So this means that we need to think what they call lateral thinking instead of conventional what? Thinking. Lateral thinking is thinking out of the box to make things possible somehow. Okay, so by this arrangement, I said earlier, it will be impossible to balance it.
Yeah.
So you need to transform one of the numbers. Look at me, to transform. And she was nearly true. Just that she transformed it, but she couldn't replace it with the correct number. Okay, so which of these numbers on the table can we transform into different number without any argument?
The 9.
9 into what?
6?
So you can see that we don't have 6 among the numbers.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you turn this to 26, what number do we change to make the equation what? Balance? So now let's add and see. Change into 6.
So
This is 13, 16.
16. Okay, so let's find out from here.
This is
So we have 13, 17, 20.
20.
So what? 16 and what? And 20. It means that by bringing 2 to this side, you get what? 18, what? 18. Okay, so what 2 numbers can you substitute? That will bring the 2 to this side and reduce this side by 2. We can go ahead and change this one. So by transforming 9 into 6, we are now able to afford 10, 17, 18, and then this is what? 18. And that makes it what? Possible. So by thinking outside the box, by transforming 9 into 6, it makes it what? Possible. If not that, you will shuffle all through and it is not possible. Thank you very much, my good friends, for joining me in today's class. Thank you also for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, share this video, and see you again in the next experiment.